my 2003 Kawasaki KLR 650. Now, I'm just trying to do a little ride here, and it seems to be doing good, testing out the camera. I don't know, let me know if I need to change the camera, probably. This is super outdated camera, super outdated bike, but I mean, they're pretty much period correct camera and bike, so beautiful bike, all the aftermarket stuff, saddlebags, rack, then we got the highway bars, aluminum skid plate, aftermarket Lex exhaust on it. She's looking good. First time I ever took it back to trails here. Handling amazing. Love the bike so much. Thought I'd test it out on the trails, but holy crap, she is mean. Wow. The tread's kind of going down. These were new tires not very long ago. But wowzy, it's been doing good. Might turn around here and then we'll see where I can go from here. But I mean, wow. Nice trails out here too, beautiful day. Really warm out here. But wow, this thing is a little bit of a workout to move around. It is 400 pounds after all. This thing is quite heavy for a bike. But it's an adventure bike, right? Meant to cross the country, cross Canada, That's what we're going to be using for, bud. And that's exactly what I'm going to do down here in the province of Nova Scotia. Yeah, not very many people do that stuff, but hey, we're here and we're going to do it. So I'll let you know in the future about this stuff, but I mean, starts amazing, starts first turn every single time. And this, again, is a 2003, and this is filmed in 2026 right now. But wow, is this thing great on the trails. Did not think it'd be this good. And through the mud, took it like it was nothing. Such a beast. But yeah, so I think I'm going to end it here just for now. We might do some more mods later on in the future with this thing. I'll let you know with all of that. We'll do the doohickey fix. If you know about that, is the timing chain tensioner has problems on these bikes. But besides that, these bikes are amazing. They can do around 160,000 kilometers with just oil changes. No valve jobs, no nothing on these bikes. Absolutely beautiful bikes. So they're just crazy stuff. Like, I mean, they're built just to do anything. This may not be great at everything, or great at one thing, but I'm telling you, it can do everything. That's what's so nice about these bikes. They're just perfect for it, and they're reliable. Many people have used these bikes across the entire world. So I hope I can do that across in Canada. So yeah, and I think I'll end it here.